Hey, so if you want to create a high converting sales presentation using Google Slides in 2026, this guide will walk you through the full process step by step so your message is clear, persuasive, and professional. First, open your browser and go to Google Slides. Log in using your Google account email and password. Once you're inside, create a new presentation or open an existing one that you'll use for your sales deck. Start with a strong title slide. Clearly state what you're offering and who it's for. A good sales presentation grabs attention immediately, so keep the title simple, bold, and benefit focused. Next, add a problem slide. Explain the main problem your audience is facing. Keep it short and relatable. Yeah, you want them thinking, that's exactly my issue. After that, introduce your solution. Use one or two slides to explain how your product or service solves the problem. Focus on outcomes and benefits, not just features. Now add a features or benefits slide. Use bullet points, icons, or simple visuals to make information easy to scan. Avoid long paragraphs. Clarity sells better than complexity. Include social proof next. Add a slide with testimonials, client logos, results, or case study highlights. This builds trust and reduces hesitation. Then create a pricing or offer slide. Clearly explain what's included and what the next step is. Transparency helps buyers feel confident. Finish with a strong call to action slide. Tell viewers exactly what to do next. Book a call, sign up, or contact you. Make it obvious and easy. Use consistent fonts, colors, and layouts throughout the slides so everything looks polished. Before presenting, review your slides in presentation mode to check readability and flow. You can present live using Google Meet or export the slides as a PDF to send to prospects. Everything saves automatically in Google Drive, so you're always backed up. And that's basically it. By structuring your slides clearly, focusing on problems and solutions, and ending with a strong call to action, you can create effective sales presentations in Google Slides. If this helped, hit the like button, share it with your team, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials. I'll see you in the next one. Yeah, take